content? We have adopted a hybrid revenue model where movie download is at a charge, while streaming is at no charge to the customer. Streaming service will adopt and also act as a catalyst in helping users to get a sample our service, to understand the quality of a service and convert them into a frequent user of download site. In the first year of our service, our primary target will be the 25 million strong NRI segment because they are scattered all over the globe and find it difficult to access films in cinemas, and very often end up consuming the pirated option for the want of legal alternative. We hope to marginalize this piracy by offering a legal alternative and existing revenue streams of our content partners. We are fundamentally changing the way people distribute, market and consume content. What you see, ladies and gentlemen, is a digital revolution in making, and we are extremely happy to be a part of it.
Thank you, Mr. Kamal Chandani. With the beauty of experts of Indian entertainment right here, it is a must that we
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's always big for tomorrow, starts today, and will go on and on. And for us as producers, opens up fresh revenue streams. So I think towards making the Indian film industry grow big and bigger and biggest. Where one of our films is being launched on this for the first time, we've decided to go the digital way. Hopefully we make it successful without really, and it's turned out very well, found to do well even on that circuit. So for us, it's an effort.
Its own contributions have been bagging a lot of awards and acclaim. Ideal, which was confined to Maharashtra. Maharashtra has seen a lot of audience.
It was tough me when sort of beginning to feel our way into entertainment industry in general and movie industry in particular, how minuscule the revenues of home entertainment, Hollywood movie. The bulk of the revenues affect the home entertainment, the DVD, a legitimate and a productive platform on which they can consume it. And as
India's largest multiplex theatre chain, we have service. We are close to 30-35 stations and will hopefully reach 40.